Hello everyone. In our last segment, we identified the 6 critical warning signs of cognitive decline, or type 3 diabetes, and the direct devastating link between high blood sugar and brain atrophy. Today, we're not just talking about the problem. We're giving you the definitive solution. I've structured this into 7 pillars, actionable steps you can implement right now to support, sustain, and fortify your cognitive health against the metabolic storm of insulin resistance. I'm Dr. Frank Maxwell, and welcome back to Diabetes Medic. 7 pillars to support and sustain cognitive health. Pillar 1. Correct a vitamin B1, thiamine, deficiency. Here's a fact most people miss. The continuous consumption of refined carbohydrates is a known cause of thiamine, vitamin B1, deficiency, which can lead to the shrinking of the memory center, the hippocampus. The more sugar your body processes, the more B1 it demands, leading to depletion. This is a critical metabolic vulnerability. Your defense starts by significantly reducing all refined carbs and high-sugar foods. Supplementing with nutritional yeast, ensure it's the unfortified natural type for a highly bioavailable source of B1. This simple step protects your neurons. Pillar 2. Restore the gastrointestinal ecosystem. Robust scientific inquiry consistently links cognitive decline to severe imbalances in your gut, specifically chronic inflammation and low microbial diversity. Your gut is often called the second brain because the microbes there manufacture vital brain chemicals to effectively restore balance. Diversify your diet with a wide range of vegetables and complex fibers to feed varied bacteria. Practice intermittent fasting, which gives your digestive system a break and has been shown to enhance microbiome diversity. Minimize or eliminate gluten and genetically modified GMO foods, as the chemicals associated with their growth are known to harm beneficial gut bacteria. Pillar 3. Incorporate microgreens and sprouts. This is a powerful, yet often overlooked, dietary hack. Sprouts, particularly broccoli sprouts, are incredibly beneficial. They contain high concentrations of sulforaphane, a potent compound with demonstrated neuroprotective effects. Sulforaphane actively fights inflammation and supports cellular detoxification, making sprouts excellent for both brain structure and gut health. They are easy to grow at home, giving you a fresh, potent metabolic defense tool daily. Pillar 4. Augment ketone production. When glucose metabolism falters, a key characteristic of the type 3 diabetic brain, neurons struggle for energy. Ketones offer an immediate, cleaner, and more efficient alternative fuel source for your brain. To reliably generate ketones and bypass glucose resistance, regularly practice intermittent and extended fasting periods. Adhere to a low-carbohydrate, metabolic supportive diet. Use MCT oil, medium-chain triglycerides, typically 1 tablespoon taken twice daily, as a rapid source of ketone precursors. This strategy helps the brain function optimally and significantly diminishes mental fogginess. Pillar 5. Utilize Ginkgo biloba extract. Moving into targeted support, the well-researched botanical extract, Ginkgo biloba, is a major asset. Specifically, the standardized EGB 761 form has demonstrated meaningful neuroprotective and significant circulation-boosting advantages for the brain. Better circulation means more oxygen and nutrients reaching vulnerable neural tissue. Pillar 6. Introduce lion's mane mushroom. This specific medicinal fungus is gaining widespread clinical attention. Lion's mane mushroom has been shown in human studies to improve overall cognitive function and is believed to stimulate the synthesis of nerve growth factor, NGF. NGF is essentially fertilizer for your neurons, making lion's mane an exceptional natural supplement for boosting memory and nerve health. Pillar 7. The foundational brain boosters. Never neglect the fundamentals. These simple elements are the bedrock of brain resilience. Omega-3 fatty acids, especially DHA from fatty fish or cod liver oil. Adequate vitamin D levels, crucial for both neural and immune function. Sufficient zinc intake to support healthy nerve signaling. Consistent exercise to improve cerebral oxygenation and circulation. High-quality sleep. Lack of sleep elevates the destructive stress hormone cortisol, which directly harms brain cells. The most powerful metabolic accelerator, dry fasting. Now, let's discuss the most potent method I know for rapid metabolic change, dry fasting. While water fasting means no food but allows water, dry fasting means consuming neither food nor water for a defined, safe period. Dry fasting can have profound effects on blood sugar, even more pronounced than simple water fasting. By temporarily withholding water, you induce a state of mild, controlled dehydration. Your body intelligently compensates by increasing the production of hormones that work counter to insulin, which helps bring blood sugar under immediate control. It also rapidly elevates growth hormone and boosts natural antioxidants. This combination assists glucose in moving into your muscles quicker, drops blood sugar readings more rapidly, and rapidly forces your body to pivot into a full-scale fat-burning mode, generating ketones at an accelerated pace. Note: always consult your physician before attempting dry fasting, especially if taking diabetes medication. The secret to protecting your cognitive function is commitment, not complication. These 7 pillars are your comprehensive defense plan. You can use these powerful tactics for immediate support, but the ultimate long-term strategy is simple. Maintain a dietary pattern that is consistently low in refined sugar and starches so that your brain never has to struggle for energy. Your metabolic health is your neurological destiny. If you found this essential, life-changing information helpful, you know what to do. Hit the like button. That single click tells the algorithm this content is valuable, pushing it out to more people whose brains need protection. Subscribe to Diabetes Medic. Join our community. We are committed to empowering you with these definitive solutions every single week. Leave a comment. Let me know which of these 7 pillars you will start implementing today. Your engagement helps this channel grow and ensures we can continue providing the best, most advanced metabolic health information. Thank you for trusting me with your health. I'll see you in the next video.